Hello everyone, Communication Network MCQ. A computer network is interconnection between option B, more than one computer. The physical topology transmission is option D, all of the above, unicast, multicast, broadcast. MAN full form, metropolitan area network. Next question, it consists of set of rules that govern data communication. Option B, protocol. OSI full form, open system interconnection. An open system is a set of protocol. The function of data link layer, option D, all of the above, framing, physical addressing, flow control. Next question. The function of transport layer, option D, all of the above, port addressing, segmentation and reassembled connection control. The session layer is the network, option C, dialog controller. The function of presentation layer, option D, all of the above, translational encryption, compression, full form of FTAM, file transfer access and management. The common network devices are all the above: hub, switch, bridge. Centralized device that connects the many devices to share data is option B, hub. Device that connects many other devices together to make network is option A, switch. Regenerate the signal is called option B, repeater. How many types of switched network? Option B, 3. Datagram switching is done at network layer. Full form of TCP/IP, transmission control protocol, internet protocol. Full form of SLIP, serial line internet protocol. Point-to-point protocol is data link layer protocol. In the layer hierarchy, as the data packet moves from the upper to lower layer, header or headed. The structure or format of data is called syntax. Communication between computer and keyboard involves a transmission simplex. The first network was called ARPANET. A dash is medium physical path over which message travels. Medium, option B. Which of the following is not network edge device? Option D, switch. A protocol set of rules that governs the data communication. Option A, protocol. 3 or more devices share a link in multi-point connection. Option B, multi-point. When the connected various computers seems in a single coherent system to its client, then it is called distributed system. Option B. Which of the following computer network is built on the top of another network? Option D, overlay network. In computer network nodes are option D, all of the above. The computer that originates the data, the computer that routes the data, the computer that terminates the data. Option D, all of the above. Communication channel is shared by all the machines on the network in broadcast network. Option A. A dash is a device that forward packet between network by processing. C, router. A list of protocol used by system. One protocol per layer is called protocol stack. Option B. Network congestion occurs in case of traffic overloading. Which of the following network extends a private network across public? Option B, virtual private network. The physical layer is concerned with bit by bit delivery. Option A is the correct answer. Which transmission media provides the highest transmission speed in network? Option C, optical fiber. Bits can be sent over gated and ungated media as analog signal. Option A, digital modulation. The portion of physical layer that interfaces with the media as is controlled. Sublayer is called physical signal sublayer. The physical layer is responsible for all of the above: line coding, channel coding, modulation. Wireless transmission of signals can be done via all of the above: radio wave, microwave, infrared. A local telephone network is example of a circuit switch network. Most packet switch use Most packet switch use the principle of store and forward. In packet switch system, resources are allocated on demand. Packet switching, which of the following is not an applicable layer service? Option D, error. Option D, error control. Which of these not constitute of residential telephone line? Option C, yellow speed downstream channel. HFC contains a combination of fiber cable and coaxial cable. Star band provides satellite access. Application layer is implemented in N system. Just a revision. Just to go through all question. Star band provides option D satellite access. HFS contains a combination of fiber cable and coaxial cable. Which of these not constitute of residential telephone line? Yellow speed downstream channel. Which of the following is not an applicable layer service? Option D, error control. A packet switching system resources are allocated on demand. Most packet switches use this principle. Option B, store and forward. A local telephone network is an example for circuit switch network. Option B, wireless transmission of signal can be done via all of the above: radio wave, microwave, infrared. The physical layer is responsible for all of the above: line coding, channel coding, modulation. The portion of physical layer that interfaces with the media access control sublayer is called physical signaling sublayer. Option A. Bit can be sent over via gated and ungated media as analog signal by digital modulation. Which transmission media provides the highest transmission speed in a network? Optical fiber. The physical layer is concerned with bit by bit delivery. Which of the following network extends a private network as private network across public network? Virtual private network. Option B. Network congestion occurs in case of traffic overloading. A list of protocol used by system. One protocol per layer is called protocol stack. Option B. A dash is a device that forward packet between network by processing the routing information included in packet. Router. Communication channel is shared by all machines on the network in broadcast network. In computer network, nodes are all of the above. Which of the following network is built on top of another network? Option D, overlay network. When collection of various computers seems a single overrun system, true is claimed, then it is called distributed system. Option B, 3 or more devices share a link, multi-point connection, a protocol set of rules that governs data communication. Which of these not edge device? Switch is not edge device. A medium physical path over which a message travel. The first network was called ARP-ANET. Communication between a computer and keyboard involves simplex transmission. The structure of format of data is called syntax. In the layer hierarchy, as the data packet move from upper to lower, option A, added. Point-to-point protocol is data link layer. Full form of SLIP, serial line internet protocol. TCP/IP, transmission control protocol, internet protocol. Datagram switching is done at network layer. How many types of switched network? 3. Regenerates the signal is called repeater. Device that connects many other devices together to make a network is switch. Centralized device that connects any media. Satellite device that connect many devices to share data is hub. The common network devices are all of the above: hub, switch, bridge. Full form of FTAM, file transfer assistant management. The function of presentation layer, all of the above: translational, encryption, compression. The session layer is the network. Option C, Dialog controller, the function of transport layer. Option D, all of the above. Port addressing, segmentation and reassembled. Connection controller, the function of data link layer. All of the above. Framing, physical addressing, flow control. An open system is a set of option A, protocol. OSI full form, open system interconnection. It consists of set of rules that governs data communication protocol. MAN full form, metropolitan area network. The physical topology transmission is all of the above. Unicast, multicast, broadcast. Only one computer. A computer network is interconnection between more than one computer. Option B, more than one computer. Thanks for watching.